Hi, this is Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico. We're gonna craft a little bakery sour today. It's a drink where you can play around and get rid of your leftover fika. We're gonna take the bottom of our Boston tin, the tin on tin, and this is what we're gonna craft our drink into. We're gonna do cheapest ingredients first. So we wanna take 20 ml of our fresh lemon juice, straight in there. Then, we've got a little flavored syrup that we made here. This is called the bakery syrup. Just take any leftover bits of bakery, whether it's kanelbulle, if you're here in Sweden, or almond cake, or almond croissants, or anything you have, and just use that to make a flavored syrup. We've got a simple syrup video coming up, so just watch that. We want 25 ml of this. Next, Aquafaba, the cooking water from chickpeas. This is gonna provide a nice, smooth, velvety texture, and it's gonna get a nice, good head on it as well. This is instead of egg white, so this is so the vegans can drink as well. We wanna stick just 10 ml, just a little bit. And then next, the good stuff, the daddy, 45 ml of your Absolut Vodka. We're gonna do two different types of shaking today. We're gonna do a wet shake, and then we're gonna do a dry shake. This is gonna get a real good emulsion going on and a lot of frothy textures. Plenty of ice. Wet shake, and we just wanna chill down the glass now. Chill down the liquid. Okay. Nice and chilled. We're gonna take our Hawthorne strainer. Gonna strain everything into here. All that crushed up ice we're gonna get rid of. Now we're gonna do the dry shake. This is gonna bring all the flavors together, really emulsify the full drink and make it whole. Nice. Okay, so we want to ice up your glass, and we just want to pour drink in. Nice. Gonna add one more cube. We're gonna garnish this up with some lemon, just a normal kitchen vegetable peeler, also a bartender's best friend. Gonna get some juices in there. We want to make sure we get lots and lots of the lemon oils in. Stick that in nicely. Get into the oven where I've just baked a fresh little pie. Ooh. Oh, get that up. Gonna get some drinks up there. That's better. It was pretty good. Little. That's some good cake. That's some real good cake.